Avoid common mistakes with the phrasal verb, set down. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to focus on a fascinating area of English grammar, phrasal verbs. In this video, we'll specifically be looking at the phrasal verb, set down. As we dive in, we'll focus on some common mistakes and show you how to avoid them. So, let's set down to business. The phrasal verb, set down, typically has two main uses. The first one is to place something carefully on a surface, and the second one is to write or print something officially or permanently. Example 1. He set down the glass on the table. Example 2. The rules were set down in the Constitution. Understanding the context in which set down is used is crucial to avoiding common mistakes. Let's take a look at some common mistakes made when using set down and discuss how to correct them. Mistake 1. Misuse with similar phrasal verbs. It's easy to confuse set down with other similar phrasal verbs like put down, lay down, or sit down. They might seem interchangeable, but they're not. Remember, set down often involves careful or deliberate action. Example: incorrect. He sat down on the chair. Correction: he sat down on the chair. Mistake 2. Incorrect object placement. Sometimes learners place the object in the wrong place when using set down. Remember, if the object is a pronoun, it has to go between set and down. If it's a noun, it can go either between set and down or after down. Example: incorrect. He set the heavy suitcase down it. Correction: he set it down. Or, he set down the heavy suitcase. The best way to solidify your understanding and avoid these common mistakes is through practice. Here are a couple of sentences. Try to identify if set down is used correctly. 1. The baby was crying, so I set down her on the bed. 2. She set down the rules for the meeting. 3. He set down in his diary all the day's events. Remember, practice makes perfect. That wraps up our lesson on the phrasal verb, set down. I hope this video has been useful in helping you understand its correct usage and how to avoid common mistakes. Keep practicing and soon you'll be able to set down your thoughts in English fluently and confidently. Until next time, keep learning and growing.